about to get trashy.
About to get trashy. Trying to get a full scan on this hill right here.
What's going on, guys? I got a good one here for you. It's Ecclesiastes 7:1. A good name is better than fine perfume, and the day of death better than the day of birth. It is better to go to a house of mourning than to go to a house of feasting. For death is the destiny of everyone. The living should take this to heart. God bless y'all.
Post that.
Dude, there's so many Jeeps in here. Black Sheep's over there. There's a lot of work going on. Trying to get ready for the snow. You ready for the snow? You'll probably stay inside in the heat, won't you?
I pay for it. Still
Oh,
sorry.
geeker. Geek
that,
light
son.
on.
Doing some squats, huh?
Lynch mob up in there.
All them wars.
Getting real fabrication up in there.
Well, this Jeep's probably fitting to burn down.
Dude, I got lights everywhere.
You gonna look like a spaceship.
All them wires are coming from one fender. Razor. It's getting serious. And look, just put these on. Protection. Last time I hit that, I had to fill that whole thing full of Bondo.
Totaled her.
So no more of that. I got protection. Oh, and we spent like 4 hours making my tail lights work. I
Yeah.
had it where like you turn the blinker on, and my freaking brake light would flash with the blinker. Then my running light would work, but when you hit the brake, the running light goes off. It was all twisted. It had homemade wires running to it. I don't know who did that.
Put brand new ball joints in here. And they're just coming in and right back out. The holes are wallered out on my ear right here, so I'm gonna weld them in.
I don't think Dex would even approve this.
Well, we're doing it.
It's gonna happen.
It's about to get trashy.
About to get trashy.
Shit. It's a jack.
Yeah, it looks like somebody shot you with a dadgum grease ball in the forehead.
God. This here is a highly modified vehicle.
Oh yeah.
Got like a 1/4 inch of snow. It's finna get wild.
I'm on my own, I blame myself, I'm too far gone, can't save myself. Now she's moved on, somebody else, not sorry, I'm not sorry. I'm on my own, I blame myself, I'm too far gone, can't save myself. Now she's moved on, somebody else, not sorry, I'm not sorry. So sorry.
Yeah, you sent that. That was like a razor. Freaking long. Yeah. About hit that tree too. Really? Dang.
Got your weight on my shoulders, now that it's over. my best by keeping my composure. I just have to pretend that I don't want any closure. I'm on my own, I blame myself. I'm too far gone, can't save myself. Now she's moved on, somebody else. Not sorry, I'm not sorry. You can cry on my shoulder, and now that it's over, now that it's over, got your weight on my shoulders, now that it's over.
Yeah! Thing's so quiet.
About to get a full send on this hill right here, son.
Are you full sending?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, it's about to get totaled, or it's gonna make it, and it's gonna be awesome.
oh, it's gonna make it.
That's a gnarly one. Put it on Nitro Circus.
Yeah.
Hey, why don't you do like a half a send the first time? It might make it.
Well, there's no fun in that.
Okay, you're right. Never mind. Gosh, dang. Woo. Bro. He freaking shot that.
That was violent. That looks cool.
Yeah. Did you hit your head or anything?
No, but it does not feel cool.
I bet. Well, you don't need lockers if you jump out the top. Oh! Oh yeah. Yeah.
Well, bro.
Long leg.
Dude, who welded that?
I don't know, it's probably you.
No. Looks like somebody with a do-rag welded that crap. It didn't last.
That was straight beat down.
No, that was
That was
was all the
I
beans.
barely even touched it.
Gosh, I barely even touched it, dude.
Dang, it's like Jones. I barely hit the gas.
That was violent. Our welds broke.
Y'all welded that?
I welded the ball joint.
Oh, I thought the axle broke.
Well, it broke that too.
I was about to say, I thought the axle broke. The ball broke. Oh.
We only put one tack on the top. So we welded it all the way around on the bottom one. The bottom one's doing good. Should have welded, put more weld on the top.